Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to remove a Dodge Journey radio. First, use a plastic trim removal tool to carefully pry off the side trim panels on both sides of the radio. This will expose 2 Torx 20 screws. Remove these screws. Next, gently pull out the instrument cluster panel. Be sure to disconnect the electrical connection located behind it by pressing the middle pin and pulling it forward. Now, detach the main surround of the stereo, which typically includes the ventilation vents. Use your trim tool to carefully work around the edges, releasing the clips. Once loose, disconnect any electrical terminals that are attached to this panel. With the surround removed, you will see the radio unit. Locate and remove the 4 Torx 20 screws that secure the radio box to the dashboard. With the screws removed, carefully pull the entire radio unit out from the dashboard. It might be held by a few clips, so a gentle but firm pull should release it. On the back of the radio, you will find several electrical connectors and the antenna cable. To disconnect these, press the middle pin or tab on each connector and then pull it straight out. Take your time to ensure all connections are safely detached. For reinstallation, simply reverse the steps. Connect all wiring harnesses and the antenna cable to your new or repaired radio, ensuring each connection clicks securely into place. Slide the radio unit back into the dashboard and secure it with its 4 screws. Reattach the instrument cluster and trim panels, making sure all clips align. Remember to check the description for a link to upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, plus other great deals to enhance your home.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.